This week, a super quick mozzarella stick with chili dip. Cheese strings or any kind of equivalent. This is not a sponsor video unless cheese strings are feeling very generous and want to sponsor me. No? Okay, well we'll get back to the recipe then. Sprinkle of chili flakes, because you know, jelly. Sweet chili dipping sauce, because you want something to dip them in. Wanton wrappers, these are surprisingly hard to get hold of when you live out in the sticks like I do, so I just use Filo pastry. It's up to you which one you use. A bowl of water. This is an incredible invention. Cut the cheese strings to the size that you want. I usually do them about the size of a small spring roll. Then grab your Filo pastry or Wanton wrappers if you prefer. And cut them into 40cm squares. Before you start calling at me and going, dude, I don't have Wanton wrappers or Filo pastry in the house. Dudes, if you don't have the ingredients, don't make this recipe. Or go out and buy the ingredients. It's quite simple. That's how recipes work. Press cheese into the pastry, or wrapper if you have them. Fold in the ends of the pastry like this, and do a rolly type thing like this. Dip your finger in the water and wet the top of the wrapper and down the edges. And then finally steal it off. You don't want it exploding in the deep fat fryer. Trust me, it's a nightmare. Make as many of them as you want and then head on over to the deep fat fryer. If you haven't got a fryer or you want to be a bit more healthy, why would you? It's basically cheese. You can do them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, roughly 200 degrees centigrade, give or take, with your fan ovens or whatever you've got. Keep an eye on them. Hot on the outside, hot on the inside, going to be gooey. Cheese, problem solved. Carefully fry the sticks until golden brown and crispy. I've got this temperature set at about 160 to 170 and they've been in for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn them out onto some kitchen roll to drain off the excess oil. That's a really good point. Put some sweet chili sauce or whichever sauce you prefer into a little bowl and serve. Warning! Fried cheese is hot. And voila! Spicy mozzarella cheese sticky things with sweet chili sauce. Don't forget to like and favourite this video if you liked it and or want to favourite it. Don't forget to subscribe wherever the button is. I can't tell from this angle, probably up there. Ding that bell. I'll draw a bell or something. Right, ding in, ding ding. As always, please leave a comment below. Let me know how you get on with this recipe. Perhaps you've improved on it. Perhaps you didn't like it. You know, let us know. I chat. Engage. Check out all our social media links in the description below for more news, behind the scenes, photos of food, that sort of gumph. Catch you next time, gamers.